This is how you make chicken stir fry. These are the vegetables you will need. Then chop your peppers. Next, you dice your onions. First, peel your carrots. Then, chop them into bits. This is what they should look like after you're finished. You can either buy pre-chopped chicken or chop your own chicken. Then you add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and your chicken into the pan. Give it a good stir. Now for the sauce. For the sauce, you will add soy sauce, Chinese 5-spice and ground ginger. Add your diced onions. You can add any vegetable first, but we started with the diced onions. Then add your bean sprouts. Then add your noodles and give them a stir. Then add your sauce. This is an example of what it should look like after. Then it's time to eat! Time to make your own stir fry!